Hello friends! Today, as I draw, I'll also tell you a short and fun story with a nice message at the end, so keep watching. First, I'm drawing a margin line using a scale, just like in Madhubani paintings. This gives our drawing a neat frame. Now, let's start making our elephant using simple shapes. I'll draw one big circle for the body and one small circle for the head. See? Just two circles and we've started building our elephant. Now I'll add ears on the sides, like large leaves, a long trunk in front. Let's draw the legs using rectangles. And don't forget the tail. And a big eyes. You can also decorate the elephant with simple designs, just like in traditional art. While we finish the drawing, here's a short story. Ellie and the Lion Rescue. Ellie the elephant was very kind, but he had no friends. The other animals thought he was too big and different. "Ellie is too large to play with us," they whispered. One day, a lion came to the jungle. He roared and scared a little mouse, a tiny lizard, and a small squirrel. The animals were very frightened and didn't know what to do. Suddenly, Ellie stepped in. He trumpeted loudly, "Pawoo!" and used his big trunk to shoo the lion away. The lion ran off, and all the animals were safe. The mouse, lizard, and squirrel came to Ellie and said, "Thank you, Ellie. You are big, but you have a big heart too." From that day, Ellie had many friends. As we finish our drawing, remember this. Moral of the story: friends can be of any shape and size. What matters is kindness and courage. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me and listening to the story. Don't forget to like and share if you had fun, and I'll see you next time with more easy, fun, and meaningful drawings. Keep drawing, keep smiling.